Welcome to Preform Line Products. This video covers the installation of PLP L connectors for trellising applications. Be sure to select the proper size for the trellis wire used. Please see the table on the website. PLP L connectors can be used in 3 different configurations, L, T, and X configurations, to best serve the needs of your trellising system. For an L configuration, you will use one subset. Start by wrapping on one leg on the uppermost wire. Be sure to capture the bottom wire with the other leg and wrap it on as well. If a T is desired at the end of a run, take the second subset and wrap it on the wire that ends. Then wrap the other leg in the opposite direction of the existing subset. You will have 2 subsets on this wire. For an X configuration, on a crossing wire in the middle of a run, you will install the second subset in an X-looking configuration opposite of the first. Be sure to capture the cables with both subsets. Now you have a finished L connector. They are designed to prevent movement of the wires relative to one another. This featured preformed product is manufactured in the United States and is backed by the experience and field support that PLP has been noted for since 1947.